Want to change where Google Chrome saves your downloads on Windows 11? Here's how you do it. First, open Chrome, then click the three dots in the top right-hand corner, and then choose Settings down the bottom. You can either type downloads into the search, or you can have a look on the left-hand side. You've got it just under languages. Click on Downloads. This will open the download section. You can see the location here. It shows the standard download folder. You can change that by clicking on Change. This will bring up your folders. You can choose wherever you want it to be. If you've got another drive, separate drive, you can save it there, or you can put it into your documents, desktop, wherever you like. You do have the option, each time you download something, it will ask you where you want it to download. You can turn it on. So if you're downloading different things and you're not sure where they're going to be saved, you can have this option on, but usually that's turned off. So once you've changed this, so let's change that to desktop, and then just select that. You see it's changed to desktop. Whenever I download something, it will automatically go onto the desktop. Change that back to downloads. And that's it. Chrome will now save your files wherever you've chosen. Hope that helped.